You're not lazy. You're emotionally exhausted. You're not unmotivated. You're overstimulated. The world demands so much from you that even simple things start to feel heavy, like a weight you can't put down. If this feels familiar, stay with me. Let's talk about how to stop feeling drained by everything and finally start protecting your energy. First, let's find your energy leaks. It's not always the big, dramatic events that leave us empty. More often, it's the constant small drips. Think about it. The endless scrolling on your phone, where 1 minute turns into 30. The conversations that leave you feeling tense and on edge. The tasks you say yes to, not because you want to, but because you feel guilty saying no. Every time you ignore these little things that drain you, you lose a little more of yourself. But here's the good news. Awareness is the first step to taking your energy back. Start noticing what leaves you feeling lighter and what leaves you feeling heavier. That's your map. Once you know where your energy is going, you can start reclaiming it. This brings us to the power of saying no. So many of us are taught that no is a bad word, that it's selfish or unkind. But that's not true. Saying no isn't rejection. It's protection. It's about protecting your peace, your time, and your mental health. Think of it this way. You can't pour from an empty cup, and you can't show up for the people and things that truly matter when you're running on fumes. Every no to something that drains you creates the space for a better, more meaningful yes later on. It's an act of self-respect. Now, when you feel completely drained, chasing motivation is like trying to catch smoke. It just doesn't work. Instead, focus on rebuilding with simple, restoring routines. Small, consistent rituals are what help you recharge bit by bit. This doesn't have to be complicated. Maybe it's drinking a full glass of water before you even look at your phone in the morning. Maybe it's stepping outside for 5 deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed. Create gentle rhythms that signal to your body and mind that it's safe to rest. The goal isn't constant, relentless productivity. It's steady, sustainable renewal. Remember, you are not broken. You're just tired. Start by sealing your energy leaks, getting comfortable with saying no, and creating small, quiet spaces to breathe again. You don't have to do more. You just have to give yourself permission to rest. Protect your peace, refill your energy, and come back to yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more videos on finding balance and protecting your peace. Take care.